Welcome, folks. Welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. And today we are going to make a pie. In fact, it's going to be chocolate pie. So let's get to cooking. I've already baked my pie shell. I use a 9-inch pie. You put your oven to 400, and I think I baked it for about 10 minutes. You punch little holes in the bottom. Just go by the directions on the wrapper paper where the pie is, and I've got it cooling over here. The filling, you're going to take a half a cup of cocoa and 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and 1.5 cup of sugar, and that's the dry ingredients. You're going to take 2 cups of milk, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which I've already put with the cornstarch. You're going to take 3 egg yolks, just separate them like you usually do, and that's my egg yolks. You're going to put them with the milk. I got my eye on medium, and then we're going to 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We'll take our saucepan, medium saucepan. We're going to pour this mixture in there. We're going to get it good and warm. We'll stir it until it comes together. I'm going to incorporate that egg so it won't scramble. Now I'm using a pastry pie, but you can use a graham cracker pie. You can make your own. You can make your own pastry, but I bought this. This is going to be a custard. It's going to get thick. I want to pour my dry ingredients in this. Start to you're going to whisk it for about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, until it starts to get thick, like pudding. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. And if you like this recipe and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Just keep constantly whisking it. So it won't stick. You got to get all the lumps and out of it. See, it's starting to get thick. Take it off the eye. See how thick it is? Kind of cool it down some. I'm going to take our pie crust and we'll pour it in our pie crust. Look at that rich, velvety chocolate. Don't that look good, y'all? Scrape every bit of it out. We're going to let it cool for about 30 minutes probably, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge overnight to cool, and then we'll top it with our, you can top it with Cool Whip, or you can make your own whipping cream, just whatever you like. We'll show you that later on. I got heavy whipping cream. I'm going to shake it a little bit. I put my bowl, my metal bowl, and my whisk in the freezer for about 10 minutes to get it good and cold. You're going to need 1.5 cups of whipping cream, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to pour that in there. My pies look so good, but when I went to pick them up, put them on the counter, had a little crack in it. So good thing I'm putting a topping on it. It covers up all the mistakes and things like that. This is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to start out slow. Let's see. A little bit more. We're going to add the powdered sugar. This is a half a cup. Looks like and stir it, make sure it's all okay. We got our whipping cream. This is how it looks. Nice and fluffy. We're going to put it on our chocolate pie. We'll spread it around. Make sure it's all covered. And we got the whipped cream smeared all over it. Then I'm gonna fancy it up a little. I had a cube of chocolate that I grated on top of the pie, and so This is the end product. But this thing's heavy. Woo. So I hope you like it. I hope you make this pie. It's very easy. Check out my Etsy store for merchandise. If you like this video and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, God bless.